She's not gonna have it.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Oh, look what I found, my last stock. Look, it's our newest member to our family. We are here at National RV Refrigeration. This is our second time. I'm going to link the first one up above for you to watch at a later date. We're not back here because something they did failed. We're back here because their service has been amazing, and we did have some other things that need to be fixed, so we made a special trip back to Shipshewana. They specialize in recharging RV gas refrigerators. It's a great place to come to have that done. And if you want to get some great Amish food, it's just a few more miles up the road.
You said you got it all fixed.
I think we should be able to. It's just, I took the door up about 1/8 of an inch. Now it's latching.
Okay, great.
Yeah. I think
Simple
it should be okay. I was going to put a couple washers, and I thought, well, actually that nut fits right over that little sleeve. So pop that thing in there and flip her out. It's latching.
Sounds good.
Yeah. They see it there.
Yeah, nothing worse than finding all your food all over the floor.
Or that door fly open.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The only thing you want to take care of is don't push too hard up on this thing, because we've had these break on us.
Right, when I ordered the latch, that's the most common failure for these things. That's what I got, was one of those. And I went, well, that's fine.
Yeah, because that oftentimes when you push up on that too hard, it breaks it.
Uh-huh.
So you got to be careful with that.
Good to remember.
What you can see is up on our roof already. They're fast and efficient. We weren't here very long last time. Was our back air conditioner having issues. This time it's our front air conditioning. They also fixed in a matter of minutes our door on our little refrigerator in the Palomino that hasn't been closing. We have a picnic bench if you want to come out here and sit and wait while they work, as well as a nice little swing. If you want to rest in the shade and wait for them to work, you can either sit at the picnic bench or you can swing on the swing. Or you can come out and see the cute little pony. Looks like they've got tons of spare parts. Lots of refrigerators ready to be put in if you want.
Doesn't cool as much as the back one.
Yeah, I can relate to that.
And then yeah, and every once in a while when it shuts down, it sounds like it's you know a tray of ice coming out of the refrigerator.
I can see it to be this one, Orphan Drive, Middlebury.
There we go. Moving that ladder. Didn't take very long.
Do you make a drop-in replacement for that 4-door North Cone?
Yeah, well, we got cooling units, gas, electric cooling units for it.
Welcome to Shipshewana Flea Market. It's the trading place. Those chimes will drive you crazy, Fred. All right, Fred, there's my t-shirt. I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? It's the trading place. We're gonna go inside and check out what's happening at Shipshewana Auction. Some miscellaneous and antique building.
You're taking too hard. Get those 2 hatchets. There's 3 of them. Get that other one. Get the other one. We're gonna start showing.
Look at this. Oh my God, it's just what I've been looking for, puppies. Let's see what we can find in here. Oh, there are tons of cute little puppies. Wait till you see them all. This is what I'm always waiting for, the puppy nursery. We can check out all the puppies. I hear them Look at you. You're all sold. You look like such a little princess.
Harness, and I put it on her, and I tied her to my bike, and she just pulled me.
One's adorable. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Are you gonna hide? You're gonna play? You're gonna hide? Are you gonna hide? Where are you hiding from? What are you hiding from? What are you hiding from? What are you, get out of there. Get out of there. You're just going everywhere. Whee. Girl? You're having a good old time. Hmm. Just got back from Shipshewana Flea Market. It is huge and it's open every Tuesday and Wednesday, so if you're in Shipshewana, Indiana, you ought to check it out. To see what I got today. So I just picked up a few little items, like a cutting board that I like to use in my freezer. Oops, don't want to show that. And then I picked up some really great pina colada and margarita mixes. They also have free samples when you're there. They were delicious. I can't wait to check them out. She's not gonna have it.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Oh, look, I found my last stop. Look, it's our newest member to our family. Hi.
Hello.
I found her at the very end of the flea market. Isn't she adorable? Welcome, our little girl, and in the next episode, we will tell you what we named her.
Bob. We'll call her Bob.
No. If you have any good ideas, let us know.
Put them in the comments below.
What does she look like to you?
She looks like a rat. Cross between a raccoon and a cat.
Welcome to your new home, baby.